Barangay Bueno court, basketball court.
How far away is this?
Hindi po ganan yan. House of the Uncle Freddy.
Basketball court, right?
Yeah, basketball.
I remember that. Can we just get off here?
Baba ka na nga road.
It's an abandoned house.
That's an abandoned house?
Yes. You can pick mango there if you want.
I remember that basketball court.
Yeah. It's nothing new.
Oh, yay, on the vlog.
And it's two abandoned house.
Why are they abandoned?
They moved to another house. Hey, that's your nephews.
Oh, okay.
A child of Ellen Fair.
Oh, I don't have anything for them though.
The boy and the two girls, daughter of Adona.
Okay.
Come on, let's go in.
Ate ni?
Bless, Tito, bless.
Bless! Wala, hindi marunong. Uy! Ano ka pa sa akin? Atraso. Atraso na kahit tutok. Kadang dyan daw yun.
Nagsuga aja manok nan.
Dyan daw yun. Sabi.
Ante.
Kumusta? Hello. Is your mama?
Asa na? Sabi ka dyan yun.
Nakilala ba ni Senyor Toto? Kilala ka ba?
Oo, Pepe Marla eh.
Dyan
Mga ano yung tumay ko na
It's okay.
Dyan sabi niya. Sabi lang ng sabi.
Hindi, sabi ko baka nga kay Jan Jan.
No, it's okay. I don't
Kaya
care.
lang ba ngayon? Anong oras?
Kanina lang.
Hindi ka ba? Anong oras?
Ajay?
Ajay.
Bangon.
Ang papoy mo ni.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Paano gam?
Pasok. Let's go.
Ika dyan yun.
Hindi, mangon din.
Ika dyan daw yan. Dyan nga daw yun.
Who's this?
Kilala ka ni Senyor Toto?
Yeah, of course.
Kala ko nakalimutan niya.
No.
Kilala niya, lahat sila kilala niya.
Yeah.
Si Kagay Sagayan.
Pasagutin kami ng English.
Hindi na marunong mag-Ilocano?
Tagalog. Hi, Shen. Bless kita, bless.
Kalimutan na
Bless
niya.
kita.
You got pigs and chickens?
Yes. Mamaya, gusto tayo doon.
Yeah, I want to see.
Ate, paano?
Yung isa ne, tingnan mo yan, yung isa. Walang laman yata yan.
Ayan. Ha? Alay? Alay?
He wants to see the chicken daw. O, come on, let's go.
Okay, yeah, let's
Ano
go.
bang tagal ng likod?
Backyard.
Backyard. Naubos na yung English ko ah. Naubos na yung grade.
No, you're good. Your English is good.
Tawag ka! Kota na manok. I get kangkong here. You know what is kangkong?
Vegetables.
Inuulam namin yan.
Okay.
Adobo. Oh, yan. Mga chicken. Ito sabi ko sa'yo, oh, you will see mangoes here. Ay, kukuha
Very
pala ako.
nice.
I will get for my mama and my sister.
May plastic nga.
Uwa!
Chicken
Lagi!
ready.
Ready. Para di kasi
Hey.
we love here. I love here. Sometimes I sleep here.
Is this your fighting chicken?
That's my auntie. She's so good to me. Sa lahat ng auntie ko, siya yung pinakamabait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not my mom. She's busy. She's a busy woman. There's too many of you to take care of. Trust me.
And this one, this is vegetable too. You don't know this? This is papaya. This is too bitter.
Okay.
Mayroon pa kami yan eh, kaya hindi mo na ako kukuha.
Okay.
Minsan dito kami kumukuha ng ulam namin. Pag we have no budget, I get kangkong.
Yeah.
I get that. We boil it only.
Okay.
There's a life here. There's a food here. Then that one, it's too sweet. That mango. I
That's
check
good.
if there's a rice. Lalagyan lang yan. Pero ngayon wala yata. Yan o. Hanggang doon yung bukid na uncle.
All the way back there?
Yes.
That's
yung
his.
mango.
His?
Yung hanggang sa cornfield. Yung line
What?
bago mag-cornfield.
Wow.
Diba? Ang ganda
So all of this?
Then go there. Sometimes if I give
All of this is his?
yes.
Like from those trees?
This one, but not this one.
Just this back here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Diretso
this line
yun.
right here?
Yeah. And to Uncle Belon yan na. This one.
Okay.
Yan na,
Who's
kay
staying
Uncle
in there?
Belon, bahay niya. Pero we're not okay anymore because you know that's
I stay away from it. I stay away from the drama.
yeah.
I don't like.
to. I don't like punta na dito, complications.
Yeah.
Ano ba yung tawag ko?
I like your house. Very nice.
Nice.
Very simple.
Angit.
No, it's nice. You're lucky.
Sabi ko din, bless ka kay tita. Ito, santo ni Island Pear.
Yo, bigyan ka ng tanyol ng pagbanyo.
Nag-bless na sila? Oh. He's good.
I might.
He's very, good. Tumatang to. Oh, careful ah. Careful.
First blood ah. Oo. Saya.
You want chicken? Ask to your uncle. He will give you.
I gotta buy it.
Wow. Uncle, nagtug na kita manok mo na. Buka nga ng maritlog dyan. Ay, dyan. Para kay mama ko.
May panungkit oh. Ang dami doon. Huwag dala na lang sa Sabado ulit.
Amo mo ta Jacob sa mo. Paguntan nak man na dyan. Nagsao dyan kasla si Kajay nagsao.
Doon, kete mo doon sa taas. Doon kada ano. Hero. Marami doon.
Siya kangkal?
Ha?
Siya kangkal?
Yeah. I'll record you.
Diyan.
Wag na sa Sabado na. Sabihin ko nagbigay siyang kay Freddy.
Marami naman doon.
Look, there's a stick right there. Use the stick.
There's a stick.
Yeah.
Too hard to get.
Got it.
Pilipina hard to get.
Alright, be careful, man.
That,
I'll record you if you fall. Yeah.
You will go to Pakalato
Yeah, of
and
course.
Manlilwag.
This is my first mango. My first
Okay.
mango here.
Yeah. All of these
Where's the
are
bag?
Put there. I always have a bag because I know.
Pinagpulit nyo.
Here.
Good, man.
Kasi may hangin dun sa amin.
Yung nyo doon, bininta na ni Kuling. Bahay nyo.
Buy our house. Ganyan. Or get us in the US. Sama kami
It's
sa
very
luggage
hard.
mo. Sama mo kami sa luggage mo. Di ba dalawa luggage mo? Oh, ako sa'yo sa... Ano? Okay na.
We can't visit there. That sucks.
Talk to your aunt.
Uncle Babylon would like to see that, but
Bangit sa kabala. Samahan mo to.
no, it's okay. It's okay. I don't know, man. That's none of my business. Not my business. He's doing good. Yeah? The little one. The very little one. Hello.
Gang, kausapin mo, gang.
I can hear you. And I understand you.